Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I am Melissa Samways and I'm a makeup artist. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do this powerful, glowy makeup look for the summer. And this is more focused in the skin, so I really hope that you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you did, and also subscribe to my channel. This is really important if you still didn't, and hit the notification bell. So now let's get started. To create this kind of glowy skin, it's really important to apply moisturizer in your face or a sun cream or both of them. I already did this step, and also I did my brows. I'm gonna put the links here in the description box and also in the cards for you guys. So now let's get started in the skin. For today's look, I'm gonna use the Infallible Pro Glow foundation by L'Oreal. I like this one so much, and I'm gonna mix this foundation with a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna use a liquid version, and this is the highlighter that I created in my DIY. I'm gonna put the links here in the description box and also in the cards as well for you guys. So somewhere in this video the links will be. So now I'm gonna mix these products together, and then I'm gonna apply in my face using a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna use the 3D HD by Sigma. I love this blender so much, especially to hit the inner corners of my eyes and here in the sides of my nose. This makes really easy any application of foundation or concealer. Can you see that glow? Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So now I'm gonna apply the concealer, and today I'm gonna use Pro Longwere by MAC, and this is in the shade NC15. It's so light, so it will give a more lighter effect in the center of my face, because I'm gonna use the concealer to highlight as well, and I'm gonna use to blend the same blender. Now this is the little trick, the key of this makeup look. Before I set everything, I'm gonna apply first my bronzer and my blush, and also my highlighter if I want to build a more intense look for highlighter. So today I'm gonna use this bronzer by BH Cosmetics, and this is the shade Tropical Tan in the Satin bronzer. So I'm gonna apply it with a precision brush like this, and this is tapered highlighter brush by Sigma, but I really like the form of this brush. So I'm gonna apply my contour or bronzer using this brush. I'm gonna remove the excess of product. And this trick is so great because if I make any mistake, I can just blend it again. And now I'm gonna apply blush. This is Dolce Pink by Milani. It's one of my favorite blushes from a long time already because the color is so beautiful. So I'm gonna apply especially in the apples of my cheeks. Wow, it's looking so beautiful already, and don't worry, it looks oily here in the nose area, but that's okay because we're gonna set everything. Don't forget this step. So now I'm gonna apply the glow as well, and for the glow today I'm gonna use this powerful highlighter by Wet n Wild, and this is the shade Golden Flower Crown. It's so beautiful, look at this. So I'm gonna apply a little bit in the highest point of my face. This is so good. I love this highlighter, and it's basically $5, I believe. So cheap and so beautiful as well. I like this kind of drugstore makeup because the effect is so good as a high-end product. So I'm gonna continue to build the coverage. As I'm creating a summer look for this video, I'm applying a lot of highlighter, but you don't have to do this. You can apply just a little bit if you like this effect. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes and below of my brows, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the same highlighter to hold the whole look together. So I'm gonna do this with a smaller brush. God, I'm glowing, look at this. I told you we can glow more than the sun, or like the sun. So now I'm gonna set everything in my face using this translucent powder by Nars. I'm gonna use just a little bit of product, and I'm gonna use this brush to apply. This is the Tapered Face by Sigma. It is basically the same form that I use it to apply the bronzer in my face, but in a different size. So now I'm gonna apply a powder. So that's it, my lovies. This is the finished result of my skin. I really love this, and I also applied my fake lashes already to complete the look. And to finish off my lips, I'm gonna apply just a lip strobe by Huda Beauty, and this is the shade Angelic. This is so beautiful, and I think it goes so well with this look. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of product. And this is the finished look. I really love how this makeup turned out. I think this is the best makeup look because I like to use it like this, only the skin and nothing in the eyes, just a little bit of shine and the fake lashes. So that's it, my lovies. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. It's so easy to do. It looks complicated. At the first it seems like nothing is going alright. Blend everything, it will be amazing, as you can see here. I love this effect so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!